generally, you see, public level, you see, some people feel these inner values, love, compassion, forgiveness. Then people consider these are part of religious practice. So therefore, those people who have no interest about religion, then they also, you see, no interest about these values. That is wrong. Whether you accept religion or not, that's up to individual. If you prefer remain non-believer, absolutely right. They are right. But since they are human beings, part of the humanity, basic human nature is a social animal. Money, power alone cannot sort of bring together human beings. Emotional level, the sense of taking care, sense of concern of others' well-being, that mental attitude alone brings together. That's real social animal. Each individual's future entirely depends on the rest of the community. No matter how powerful one single person, but their future entirely depends on the community. On the community. Now today, global economy, in that level, and also environment issue. Now world become just one entity. East depend west, west depend east, southern depend north, north depend south. That's the reality. We're just a big human family. So that's the reality. Apparently, different continent, different country, different religious believer, these are secondary. So therefore, to those non-believer, also you see, have to develop awareness, these inner values.
Yes.